They're on hunt.
That's the big one.
Yeah.
That's not the baby.
No, big's back here too.
Oh, he took off already.
Looks like you got wet, Mert. Where you going?
Well, here he is. Or she. She's right outside my window. Check her out. She's getting big. Look at her. Let's see if I zoom in. Sorry for the drips on my window. She's not full albino. This is her twin, I think. They were twins. You can see it's kind of blonde on the one side, and she's got some spots on her face. She's so cute, though. Here comes Mama.
See ya?
Yep. Oh, that's the baby. Here's Mama.
Is the dog dry enough, or what's going on with him?
Doing a video, Terry. Come here and look. They're right outside the window. Terry. There's Mom. Oh, she's so cute. Look at her, hon. She's right out there. Well, this is the baby, and this is Mom. I think the twin is right there. Terry. That's the twin, and that's the mom. And we just saw the dad go down the hill. Maybe they're gonna hook up again this year. I'm looking out my kitchen window right now. She's right next to the garden area. She's just adorable, isn't she? See, she looks like she has a red nose. Yeah, she definitely has a red nose, and she looks like she's got red eyes, too. She's like, I would say like 80% albino. She's just got this little bit on the sides. Both sides have a little blondish hair. That's the boy. That's the dad. Look how big he is. Oh my gosh. Look at that rack. Oh, look at. He's running up here. Maybe he's coming to say hello to the baby. Where'd he go? Oh, here he comes. Darn it. Come on. Yep, come on in the yard. There he is. Terry. Quit making noise back there, please. Making a video. That's Dad. I'm on my side kitchen windows, not as big as the front one, but that's Mom. Here he comes. Oh, look. You're gonna get a bite to eat. Where's the baby at? Is he still up here? Or she?